Hello everyone. I am so glad you have joined me today. I love sharing my ideas with you and I hope I inspire you with today's creation. I wanted to tell you about my next class, and the cards that I'm making today uses the product from this class. I am going to be using the Boho Indigo product medley refill. I love this kit, and you will get a half of the kit. Let me just show you. They have these cute little flowers in there. These are so much fun to play with. Then there's the, and you get 2 of each of these. I've pulled out some because I've used them in creating. But there's 2 of each of these embossed pieces. There's this flower looking one, the diamonds, and the circles. This reminds me of the quilt, the wedding ring one. I can't even think of what it's called, but that. So you get 2 of each of those. You also get 2 of these beautiful, gorgeous flowers with the gold trim to it. You get 2 of each of these I don't know, elements to put sentiments in, and 2 flowers. You get 2 of this one, which is again some banners to put sentiments in. And then you get 4 sheets of this gorgeous paper. There's this one that has this fun flower and this crazy design on the back. There's this one that has these fun flowers that remind me of the little punch, and this that has the vines. You get 4 of these that have the leaves that kind of go with the green ones from the punch outs. And then the back of this, which I love this little flower. This one kind of mimics the embossing paper, or the embossing on that paper. You got this cute flower, and the back of this one you have this fun design. You have this fun flower, and on the back you have another one of those daisy type flowers. You have this geometric pattern, and then these leaf swirls. So you get that in all of that in the kit, which I think is a fabulous deal. As part of the class, you're also going to get a half a bolt of the gold metallic edged ribbon, and this is very vanilla, which is perfect. It goes with that because that's very vanilla that's in there. And then you'll get a package of the gold glitter gems, which are fun to play with. I use these a lot. So with that, here's the card we're going to make today. Fun card. All right. I've pulled out my dimensions, and I'm going to grab all my pieces over here. All right. You need a card base of very vanilla that's 5.5 by 8.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. So I'm going to fold it and burnish it with my bone folder. You need a piece of Night of Navy that's 3 3/4 by 5. And to that, we're going to add some strips of DSP. And this is just 3 random strips, and they're all 3/4 of an inch by 2 3/4. So let me see. That's this one, this, and this. And I did kind of try to break up the flowers a little bit. So let me pull in my glue, and we'll get started with gluing this together. All right, so I'm going to take the first piece. Oops, that one's upside down. Don't want to do that. And I'm going to add it at the top. And I'm leaving not quite a half an inch, probably about 3/8 of an inch. All right, this one is the next one. I'm going to glue it down. and I'm leaving just a slight space between the two pieces, and I want to make sure my edges are even. There we go. I love the glue that you can do that. And then the last piece has that daisy looking flower to it. You can use any 3 pieces you had. These were scraps that I had left over when I was creating, so it's a good way to use your scraps. And then this one goes on with just a little bit of space in between. All right. This is going to go onto our card base. So I'm going to add some glue to the back of it. And I'm going to put it on my card base. And I always open it up and make sure I put this on the right way. I put many pieces down wrong. So I try to open it up, and that way I get it down there correctly. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I am using, as part of this set, or the class, I'm using the Lovely You stamp set. And this one has this fun punch to go with it, and it's a bundle. So I'm using that stamp set, and then this, because I split the kit up, I don't want to take and pull out that one again, so I'm going to use this banner for my sentiment. So I'm just going to ink it up. Okay, there we go. I want to make sure I'm doing it the right way. Then I'm going to stamp this, and I'm just kind of eyeballing it. There we go. This goes on with dimensionals, but I'm going to give it a few seconds to dry. And I'm going to pull out my dimensionals, and I'll pull out my glue dots also because I need those for my flowers. And I'm going to need more glue dimensionals, so I'm going to go ahead and cut those. This one shifted on me, so I want to put it back where it goes so I can cut it correctly. Well, that won't work. There we go. All right, let me finish cutting here. All right, I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to add a piece here. I don't know why I put that over there. And this here. And I'm going to flip this around. I'm going to put one here, and one in the middle. I'm going to pull out my pokey tool. I'm going to take my backs off. My tip is bent, so it doesn't want to cooperate with me. If anybody knows how to fix it, let me know, because I got to get it fixed. All right, and I'm going to put this down on the bottom, and I'm kind of centering it between the bottom of the blue and the bottom of the DSP. And now I'm going to add some of those fun flowers. The product share gives you 20 of these cute little flowers, and oh my gosh, they are so much fun to play with. All right, I have had a lot of fun with it. They're easy to work with. I just pick it up by the ball and put it on my glue dot, press down, and then again using that ball, I'm gonna place it on my card front where it goes, and then this one I'm going to put over here, and then one more on my sentiment to kind of go underneath that cherish so that your eye is drawn across and down. And there it is. I hope you will join me for this class. Look for the check out my blog and you'll see the announcement. I would love to have your help on YouTube. Make sure you click the subscribe button below so you don't miss my videos. If you want to be notified when I upload a video, click the bell next to it. Thanks for visiting me today. Have a great day.